Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and color fill. Kids first triangle, hexagon, pentagon, circle, star, heart. Kids colors name light green color, yellow color, blue color, sky blue color, orange color, pink color, green color, light pink color and red color. Kids shapes drawing black color. Kids black color. Shapes drawing triangle, hexagon. Kids hexagon. Pentagon, circle, star, heart. Kids heart. Color fill kids. Kids color fill. Orange pink color. Triangle. Black color kids. Hexagon. Kids hexagon. Green color kids. Kids green color. Pentagon. Orange color kids. Orange color kids. Circle. Brown color kids. Brown color kids. Star. Sky blue color kids. Sky blue color kids. Heart. Triangle, hexagon, pentagon, circle, star, heart. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.